Plaintiff Erica Milbeck says she used to be friends with the defendant until the defendant falsely accused Erica of calling her a racial slur. Erica claims she took a lie detector test to prove her innocence, and she's suing her former friend for slander, emotional distress, and the cost of the lie detector test. Defendant Shayna Williams insists Erica did call her a racial slur, and regrettably, she admits that she assaulted Erica because it upset her so much. Shayna says she could care less if Erica passed a lie detector test because she doesn't believe in them. And Shayna knows what she heard.
All rise. This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Greg Mathis presiding. You may now be seated.
Prove your case.
Well, the defendant and I were actually friends before I was 16. She was maybe about the age of 14, 15. We grew apart, started hanging out with the wrong crowd, wasn't into that. Then about 2 years ago, I was falsely accused of a racial slur.
Who did you make it to, allegedly?
I was falsely accused against the defendant.
Oh,
that I said
saying that you said
that
it to her?
I called her a racial name.
Okay. You were accused where, in court or something?
I was accused in the school.
Not against the law yet.
I was accused in the school
Should be.
system.
It's a hate remark. It's a hate remark that would provoke violence.
Yeah.
And you didn't say it.
No, I did not say it.
Right. So what happened as a result of her making that up?
I was actually forced to take a lie detector test by the 3 principals of our school.
Okay,
they
good.
said you have a choice to either take the lie detector test or to be suspended for 5 days.
All right.
So about a month later, I ended up taking the lie detector test, which I have proof here that I've passed it with flying colors.
Let's see it. So that's your defamation claim and the bill for a lie detector. Ma'am, what do you want to tell me the background on this is?
On October 4th, 2005, I walked up to the plaintiff in gym and I asked her why she was spreading rumors around the school. And her friends just sat and laughed.
What type of rumors was she?
She told my witness here, my best friend, that she had a videotape of me ripping a hole in the bottom of her pool and climbing over her fence and egging the back of her house.
Your
You
Honor,
confronted
that's
her
not
about
true.
it, and then
Yes,
what
I
happened?
did. Yes, I did confront her, and her friends were all laughing, and so I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna deal with this. So I turned around to walk away, and I heard her call me the N-word. And I've gone to a predominantly white school my entire life. I lived in a white neighborhood. I have never, ever been called that word in my life.
Good.
And I was only 16, and I was blown away that I had heard this. So my reaction was to hit her. And I felt immediate remorse. And I didn't know, like,
so you
really.
responded by hitting her.
I
and what
responded by
happened?
hitting her, and then I was immediately escorted to the principal's office and immediately suspended for 5 days. I was told to go to the juvenile court. I went there, I paid a restitution of $53. I have that and the receipt.
This is all for the fight.
This is all for the fight.
What was the investigation into your defense? Because she used the most provocative term against an African American that a Caucasian could.
They dropped the charges because...
Against you?
Against me. They dropped the
So
charges.
you had to pay court costs, why?
I had to pay $53 restitution ordered by the court.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
restitution by definition means you were convicted. Restitution means paying for the cost for a crime you committed, to restore the person who has suffered a loss.
Okay. Well,
so
I have...
you were convicted, unlike you say.
Okay,
you say
well,
the charges were dismissed.
The charges were dropped.
If you paid this, do you have evidence of that? Saying it was dismissed? And if so, what were you paying restitution for?
Her medical bills.
Why, if you weren't responsible for them?
Because that's what the court told me to do. And also to apologize to her, which I did in school.
It was mediated and then dismissed based on your agreement to pay her. That doesn't mean you were found not guilty. And she's provided me with a lie detector test that said no to all of these. It could be that you jumped on her because you were mad about the rumors.
Not at all.
And now it could be that you're using the N-word as an excuse.
Not at all.
To cover up your unlawful acts against
Not at
her.
all.
And that happens a lot, I know, but with you, it didn't happen. It was the lie detector test that is incorrect.
I don't believe in lie detector tests.
I know you might not, but I do. And many times it's not admitted. However, in small claims courts, the judge can allow and listen to any evidence at the court's discretion. And in this instance, I am going to rely on this and exercise my discretion in that manner. And you have any other evidence or you witness here? Do you know anything about it?
I do. I have a statement here from my twin brother, Justin.
Let me see that, please.
That teachers were even questioning him about about me actually calling her that name.
So this is showing that it caused damage to you.
It caused serious
Yeah.
damage to me. I have doctor's notes even showing that I was under such stress
Yeah,
and depression.
Okay. Let me see it. Your witness want to speak?
Yeah.
Come on up. State your name.
Amber Wessel.
What do you want to tell me?
I just want to say that I live across the street from her. I mean, it just kind of doesn't seem like this is hurting her that bad. If she can come and go from her house and that she's feeling like a prisoner in her own home.
All right. So you don't believe in lie detectors and you don't believe in doctors. Because that's what the doctor says.
Well, the stress could be
Despite,
put-
excuse me, different from what your testimony is, the doctor says that she is suffering those things, regardless of what you've seen in terms of her walking in and out. Stress and depression doesn't stop you from walking. A spinal injury would stop. She's not accusing you of that, are you?
No,
You didn't have
I'm
a
not.
spinal injury.
No.
Okay, all right. So, thank you, ma'am. And go ahead. What do you want to tell me?
I'm Dina Melbeck. I'm her mother. I received many phone calls during this whole incident at my work where Erica was bawling. After the lie detector test came out, she had more problems with kids saying, you better watch your back. She thinks just because she passed a lie detector test. And it was awful. The stress that she had, she wasn't able to go to her younger brother's sporting events because she didn't feel
Let me
safe.
ask you, why do you think she's denying it?
Because she doesn't want anybody to know that she did.
Okay. Why do you think she's saying this about you?
I think she's saying all this about me because we have a conflict. We're not friends anymore.
Okay.
And I think that she just really dislikes me.
That's what I think too. That's a little clever maneuver that a lot of African Americans use. They play the race card. That's what
Not
it's
me.
called. Anytime there's a conflict, they want to respond to something, or some of those instances, they play that race card. It's because I'm black!
No, not at all.
Because it called me in! It happens a lot.
Not with me.
Many times it is legitimate. It also happens a lot that Caucasians do call African Americans the N-word. In any event, I don't believe she did it. I believe the lie detector test, I believe the letters, and I believe that you are using that to defend yourself against an assault which you intended to make because of the rumors.
No.
Yeah. $3,000 for the plaintiff. I believe you, and I think that it has caused you emotional distress as indicated by the doctors. It has harmed your reputation at your school, and she must pay also for the lie detector test. Judgment for the plaintiff. Have a good day.
I've never been violent in my life, and I would have never reacted in that way if I didn't hear it.
I think the judgment was served. She deserved what came. She didn't hear it. I think someone actually told her. I don't think she heard it for herself.